Children, let's take now mixed bag sum, miscellaneous problems, right? Mixed bag sum, whereby which we will not be going with any sum specific or type specific. Two types of boxes, A, B, are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. Very first thing is, I need to tell myself how many kgs are there in 1 ton. 1 ton is 1000 kg. 1 ton is 1000 kg. Two types of boxes, A, B, are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in a truck, it weighs 10 tons. So what did I realize from this particular statement, or rather up till now? The maximum capacity for a truck to carry the load is 10 tons. Maximum, the fullest capacity of the truck is 10 tons. But when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B, so that it is fully loaded. Find the weight of each type of the box. Those who have not understood the sum yet, no problem, we are going to understand when we start doing our sum. Let's move on. Find the weight of each type of box. So our solution starts off with, let the weight of box A be x kg, and let the weight of box B, I have written down a short form, box B be y kg. So have we initialized from our side the weights of A and B? A as x kg and B be y kg. Let's read the sum now. Two types of boxes A and B are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. When 150 boxes of type A, one box weighs x kg, 150 box will weigh 150 into x, and 100 boxes of type B, one box B weighs y kg, 100 boxes will weigh 100 into y, are loaded, it weighs 10 tons. So I'll just write down before writing, since 1 ton is 1000 kg, which implies 10 tons is 10,000 kg. And now we can say S per first GC. How many boxes of type A? 150 boxes. So 150x. How many boxes of type B, children? 100 boxes. 100y. Will weigh how much? 10 tons. And 10 tons is nothing but 1000 kg. Very simple. Divide by 50. When I divide this by 50, I shall get 3x plus 2y is equals to, when I divide by 50, this is 200. 52 is 100, 0, 0. This is my equation number 1. I hope my children have understood how we have framed equation number 1. Now we move on to the next one. What is the next one trying to say? But when 260 boxes of type A, S per second GC, S per second GC, 260 boxes of type A, so 260x are loaded in the truck. So truck is already filled with 260 boxes weighing 260x kg. It can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B. Means when it says it can still accommodate, so that it is fully loaded, it can still accommodate to its fullest capacity. So what is the fullest capacity of the truck? 10 tons. So let me write down 10,000 kg. It can still accommodate 40 boxes. That means we can easily place 40 boxes of box B. 40 boxes. I'm really sorry. It's not 26. 40 boxes. So can I say 40, each box of B is Y. 260 of A, 40 of B is equals to fullest capacity, which is 10 tons. Divide by 20. 130x, 20 means 2y is equals to, when I divide this by 20, I'm so sorry, when you divide this by 20, it is not 130, it is 13, sorry, 260 by 20 is 13x plus 2y is equals to, when I divide this by 20, so 25 is 100 and then 0, 0. This is my equation number 2. 25s are equation number 2. If I pick up y plus 2y plus 2y, subtract equation. What? Subtract equation 1 from 2. When I subtract equation 1 from 2, what shall I get? I'll write down 13x plus 2y is equals to 500. 3x plus 2y is equals to 200. Minus 10x, this gets cancels off. I'm left with 300. X is equals to 30 kg. X is equals to 30 kg. Substitute. X is equals to 30 in equation 1 is fine. Equation 1. 3x plus 2y, 200. 3 into 30. 90 plus 2y is 200. Goes there. 2y is 110. Y is 55 kg. Y is 55 kg. So what is the weight of box A? Weight of box A is 30 kg, and that of B is 55 kg. Now if you want to cross check your answer, you can cross check it right now. How many are there initially? 150. So 150 into x. This is only for your cross check, but before that I'll just write down my final answer. Therefore box A weighs 30 kg, or weight of the box A is 30 kg. Box B weighs 55 kg. So if you want, you can cross check your answer. So let me give you cross check here. This is cross check, mind you children. This is only cross check. 150 into x. X being 30, 150 into 30 plus 100 into y. 100 into y, which is 55. 15 3s are 45. 4500. 55 into 100, 5500. 4500 plus 5500. Answer is 10,000. Answer is 10,000. We are right. Very simple, children. Only one thing. You should know 1 ton is how many kg, right? And you should know it means the entire 10 tons.